it's Denise, and I have this really cool product called the Keyboard Cleaning Slime. As the name implies, it's great for cleaning keyboards, but it can clean so much more. Now, in researching this product, I found a lot of interesting and actually gross facts. Number one is, did you know your keyboard is probably dirtier than a public toilet? Ooh, gross. Now, part of my job is to test this out. So I've been using this all over, both in the office and at home. It works great on phones, remotes, car vents. I've used it on jewelry, like I said, and it'll get into those nooks and crannies that you just can't get into. And it's a lot cheaper than using canned air. How it works, it actually absorbs the dirt and grime, but over time, the color will start to turn a brown or grayish color. That's when you know it's time to get a new one. So stock up. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. One thing I want to point out is we have it in 2 colors, but there's no choice available. It works the same. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab 1 or 2 today.